I understand that there was a kidnapping. The mother was driving the motor vehicle. That's what I understood. And the car was, she was
Intercepted.
removed from the car
Okay.
by some bad men. I'm being very careful, you know I am. The car was taken away. And her son, or her child, sorry, I don't know if it was a son or a daughter, because I haven't been on the crime scene as yet. I haven't physically been in there. Was in the motor vehicle, and the car was found by the police in this area, urban area, with the child in the car, murdered. We need extraordinary powers to deal with this, and I'm imploring the opposition to support the government in its quest to solve this problem, because it is getting out of hand. It is a state of emergency. This is a state of emergency. If this does not reflect something that requires and is to be treated as though it is a state of emergency, then I don't know what more the opposition is to see to support the government in dealing with these matters. It's not funny. It's not cute. We need to deal with it. So I'm here today. Condolences to the family. Very sad occasion. And this is no worse than the ones that happened 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Every time a life is lost, it is something that is unfortunate. So I'm here today to say, Jamaica, opposition, we need the support.